Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and we are in definite integrals. Two more classes required to finish this chapter, definite integral chapter. This class and another class. Okay. Now in this class we will do 4 questions from question number 41 to 44. 45 to 48 is the last class. See, this question is asked in MSET 2018. We are dealing with areas only, definite integral. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x and y x-axis is. See, one curve is there. I am drawing the figure. First you understand the figure. See, normally this is x and y axis. Okay. One curve is there and area between curve and x-axis. See, like this question already we have done. Why we should take this question again, like we may think, but it is little bit different than that question. Okay, see, earlier we have done like this. Okay, this area we have found, but not now. This is not that curve. Let us see. Why x-axis is okay, but what about curve? Curve, how it will come? That we will see. Okay, why? Because different models if you do, then you will get experience. In your examination, any model you can attend. Okay. Now you see, curve they have given. They have not given how you are going to find equating and all limits. How you are going to find? Here logic is you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay. See, at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0, 0. That means 0. Okay. That means one point is there. 0. This point is there. Okay. Now at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. But what about at y is equal to 0? At y is equal to 0 means see, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Y is 0. Okay. Now see, x you take common. X if I take common, x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. See, x is 0 already we have written. X is 0. But this quadratic you have to solve. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 3 has to come. You see, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, see, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Or else x if I take common, x minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Minus x plus 2, minus x plus 2, x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x. Okay? Okay, now x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Okay, now come back here in graph. X is equal to 1 is there, okay, 1 is there, x is equal to 2 is also there. That means, see, this curve may be like this. Is it exactly correct? We don't know. Why? Because, see, I want to tell you one thing. This curve may also be like this. Different models I am writing, you see, observe carefully. Different graphs I am drawing. First you get some knowledge. This curve may be like this, or else this curve may be like this also. 1, 2, 1, 2. This curve may also be like this. This curve may also be like this. This curve may also be like this. Okay. Now see what we have to do here. See, at 0, 0, at 1, 0, at 2, 0 we know. But what about at 1 by 2 in between? 1 by 2. What about at 3 by 2? If these values are same, whether it may be positive or negative, then what we do, 0 to 1 we will apply and 2 times we will do. Okay? That logic you have to know. Okay. Now, at x is equal to 0, at y is equal to 0, at 2 is equal to 0. Why? Now you see at x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to, see, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8 minus 3 into 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2, 1. Okay? Okay. Now you see 3 by 4, 1 by 8. See 1 plus 8, 9 by 8. 1 plus 8, 9 by 8. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Or else 9 by 8 minus 6 by 8. 2 times 2 times. That means see 3 by 8. Okay. See here 3 by 8 is there value at 1 by 2. This value is 3 by 8. Sorry, this is minus 3 by 8. That means see maybe this. But these two figures you avoid. Understand why? Because see at x is equal to 1 by 2, positive 1 by 2, positive 1 by 2 and positive 3 by 8 has come, not negative 3 by 8. That means in these two figures it may be. See, this is for knowledge sake only. Directly you can apply 2 times, but how you know 2 times we have to apply like? Why? Because you should know at 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 exact values are coming or plus or minus, then you can apply. See what I am doing now. At x is equal to 3 by 2, y is equal to 3 cube by 2 cube, 27 by 8 minus 3 into 3 square by 4, 9 by 4 plus 3 into 3 by, sorry, 2 into 3 by 2, 2 to 1 get cancel out, 3. Okay, you see 27 by 8, see 27 plus 24 by 8 minus 27 by 4, or else we can write this as, you see 51 minus 54 by 8. Why? Because see 2 times I have done here 54, this is 51. See 51 minus 54 means see minus 3 by 8. Now this is the figure, not this. Okay, now I am removing all this. See, this is plus 3 by 8, this is minus 3 by 8. Now what you are understanding by this analogy? Okay, you see what I want to say. You take integral from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 2 times you do y dx. Why? Because this is also same. See, area is a positive quantity even though it is in negative field, but 2 times you have to take it. This area, this area. Negative means minus you have to keep outside and it is going to become plus. Like that you have to do analogy. That means in simple words, if I want to say this is a modulus like. This area modulus you have to take. Negative you should not take area. Okay. Shall I take 0 to 1 2 times? Okay. Okay. Now let us proceed. Now this calculation we have done. We will proceed further. See integral 0 to 1 2 times write down x cube minus 3x square plus 2x dx, that is equal to 2 times x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 into x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2, but you apply 0 to 1, that is equal to, you see 2, 2, 3, 3 going to get cancelled out. First you write 2 into x to the power of 4 by 4 minus x cube plus x square from 0 to 1. Okay, now you substitute that will be your final answer. Write down that is equal to 2 times, first see 0 you need not submit. Why? Because 0, 0, 0 it is going to become 1 by 4 minus 1 plus 1. See minus 1 plus 1 you cancel out. 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 will be answer for this question. Okay, see every question this much of calculation do we need to do in competition examination? Not required. Directly you can submit 0 to 2. 0 to 2 directly if you submit also rather than one time 0 to 2. You have got this, see 1 is also there, but 0 to 2 you submit 0 to 2, and rather than this 2, this equation if you submit same answer is going to come. Okay, in your competition examination, see for knowledge say I have explained much. In your competition examination you do such that. Let us go for next question. See question number 42. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 and the tangent to it, tangent of this at 1, 4 and the y axis. All you have to take. Okay, y axis also you have to take, curve you have to take, and tangent also you have to take. In between area they are asking. Okay, see little bit calculation we have to do here. How you are going to find this tangent? Okay, tangent. See, tangent I am writing. Tangent means slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx at 1 comma 4. Why? Because xy they have given this point. Implies 2x plus 2 at 1 comma 4. That means in x area 1, y area 4 you have to do, but y is not there. That means tangent is equal to, slope is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Okay, now equation of tangent. Slope is 4. Slope is 4. Equation of tangent is equal to y minus 4 by x minus 1 is equal to 4. Or else y minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 4. Y minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 4. Okay. And minus 4 if you cancel, y is equal to 4x is your equation. Okay, tangent equation, line equation. Okay, see curve equation also you are having. First let us see curve equation. What is that equation? Y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 implies y is equal to x plus 1 whole square. Is it okay? First you see a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, see what is it? See, forget about 1. Y is equal to x square means parabola. Y is always positive, x may be positive or negative. Okay, see now I am drawing the figure. This is a parabola, but center is shifted minus 1 center. Okay, now this is 0, this is minus 1. Now when x is at minus 1, y is equal to 0. Okay, like this you have to understand the logic. Okay, this is the parabola. Understand? That means see, this curve is this one. But what about y is equal to 4x? Now you tell me y is equal to 4x and y is equal to this one. How you are going to match it? Why? Because somewhere it has to touch. Na? They have given a tangent at 1, 4. Tangent at 1, 4. That means see, this may be 1 and this may be 4. Sorry, y is at 4. See, x is at 1, y is at 4. Here it is touching. Okay? X is at 1, y is at 4. That is one thing. Another thing, you see, this tangent y is equal to 4x means when x is 0, y is also 0. That means it is going to start from 0. Is it okay? Now you tell me what will be the area? This is the area. Observe carefully. This is the area. That means see O, A, B, O. This is the area you require. Why? Because see, y-axis, curve, tangent. In between area you have to find. Okay, how you are going to find that limit? Simple. 0 to 1 only you have to take from 0 to 1. Okay, y is 4 but x is 1 only. Okay, at x1 y will be 4 automatically. Okay, 0 to 1. This curve minus line you take and do it. But finally, if it comes in negative, then you put modulus. That you have to understand. Okay, let us proceed then. Okay, area is equal to integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 x we are taking. This curve. Curve is how much? X plus 1 whole square. Don't take x plus 1 whole square. You take this one. X square plus 2x minus 1 minus 4x. Okay? Curve minus line. dx. See, plus 2x minus 4x minus 2x. Write down next line. That is equal to integral 0 to 1 x square 2 minus 4 minus 2x minus 1. This is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 not minus 1. Minus 2x, yeah, plus 2x minus 4 plus 1. Okay, now this you do integration. Okay, that is equal to, see, x cube by 3. Okay, minus 2 x square by 2 plus x from 0 to 1. You see, 2 going to get cancelled out. 0 you need not apply, all zeros it is going to become, but rather than 0 we apply 1. 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1. That's all, minus 0. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 1 by 3 will be your answer. Okay, understand this question? Okay, this is a logical question. Simply you have to understand. Let us go for next question. Okay, let us see question number 43. Two curves they have given. Okay, they are asking us to find the area between these curves. Okay, see what we are going to do. One by one first you take and you solve whether what values are going to come. Then afterwards we will apply for both. Okay, first I am taking this one. You see, y is equal to 2 if I take common x minus x square. 2x minus 2x square. Okay, now you see at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Why? Because see, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 into 2 is 0. Y is also 0. Okay, that is one thing. See, at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. At y is equal to 0, that also we will see. You see here, anyway, see, x minus x square is equal to 0. 0. Y 0 means 2, 0 by 2 is 0. X minus x square is equal to 0, comma, x if we take common, 1 minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 already we have calculated. X is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. That means 0 and 1 are there, limits it. And you compare for both also. So you compare for both also. See, y is equal to x log x. See, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You see, x is equal to 0 means don't see here, log 0 should not apply, but 0 into something is 0, y is also 0. That is one thing. Okay? And another thing how I am telling, you see, x log x is equal to 2x minus 2x square. Okay, 2x minus 2x square. Okay. Now, if you give 1 here, wait a minute. You take x log x is equal to, take x, 2 minus 2x. Okay? Cancel x. Okay, cancel x. Then what it is going to become? 2x plus log x should become 2. Okay. Now you give 1, x 1. That means see 2 into 1 plus log 1 is equal to 2 will come. Why? Because 2 plus 0 that is equal to 2. LHS is equal to RHS. That means what we can say? We can take x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, you understand? Okay, now you proceed. See, curve, both curves you have to subtract for integration. Area bounded between the curves. Okay, write down then. You see, 0 to 1, 2x minus 2x square minus x log x dx. Okay, but you see, you have to take two integrations here. This integration separate you have to take. Why? This is integration by parts you have to do, or else you are unable to do. Okay, see, I1 I am doing. I1 is equal to 2x square by 2 minus 2 into x cube by 3, 0 to 1. That is equal to. Okay, 1 if you give 1 minus 1 if you give 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 0 you need not give. 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. Okay, this is 1 by 3. See, I1 is 1 by 3. Then go for I2. See, I1 minus I2 you have to do. See, minus is there. I2 is equal to integral x log x ds. Observe carefully here, log x you have to take as u. That is equal to c log x integral x dx minus integral d by dx of log x integral dx dx whole dx. Understand? Okay, write down then. See, this is x square by 2. Write down. X square by 2 log x minus d by dx log x is 1 by x. That is x square by 2. X square by 2 I have taken. And this d by dx log x is 1 by x. That means see here dx. This x is going to come here. Only x will come. Then write down again. X square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x square by 2. Okay. Now you see this is also having 0 to 1. Now substitute 1 by 2 log. See 1 by 2 but log 1 is 0. That means first one is 0. And you see 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is upper limit. Lower limit 0, you did not give. 0 into something is 0. Don't see here log 0. You see here 0 into log 0. 0. That means you need not take. That means see minus 1 by 4 will come. You see final result is I1 minus I2. Here minus is there. I is equal to I1 minus I2. That is equal to I1 is how much? 1 by 3 minus of minus 1 by 4. Actually minus, but minus 1 by 4. See 4 plus 3, 7 by 12. Understand? Okay. For this, don't try to, what will you say, put the graph. Why? Because x log x graph you are unable to do. Sometimes better you go in shortcut way. This is shortcut way I can say. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 44. This is JEE question. JEE 2008 question. The area of the plane region bounded by the curves. Two curves they have given. X plus 2y square is equal to 0 and x plus 3y square is equal to 1. Okay, how to find and all? Let us see. First you internally this you solve, then you are going to get the limits. Okay, that we know very well. See how I am solving. X is equal to minus 2y square. X is equal to 1 minus 3y square. Okay, both are x. Then you write down like this. 1 minus 3y square is equal to minus 2y square. Or else 3y square minus 2y square. Y square is equal to 1. Y is equal to plus or minus 1. That means we values you rather than doing integral y dx, you write x dy. Why? Because y values you have got minus 1 to plus 1. Understand? Then curves what? How we are going to take these only curves. Okay. See how I am taking. Area is equal to integral minus 1 to plus 1. 1 minus 3y square minus 2y square. Okay, x dy that is equal to, see if you open plus 2y square minus 3y square, 1 minus y square. Okay. Now you see, is this the function even or odd? Why? Because the minus 1 to plus 1 or minus a to plus 1 means, plus a means, see if it is even function 2 times from 0 to 1. Or else if it is odd function then 0 straight away. You tell me f of y is equal to 1 minus y square, f of minus y is equal to 1 minus y square only. Why? Minus y 1 square plus y square both are same. That means this is a even function. When it is an even function, then how you are going to write? Like this shall I write? 2 times of 0 to 1, 1 minus y square dy. 2 times. Okay, then proceed. 2 times of y minus y cube by 3, 0 to 1. That is equal to 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 3. 0 you did not give. That is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 2 into 2 by 3. 4 by 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Yes. 4, 2 into 2 by 3. 4 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now we do one thing. We will stop this class. We will continue in the next class and we are going to finish this exercise in the next class. Thank you very much.